How to contact Walmart Asset Protection 2025 step by step. If you've ever needed to report a security issue at Walmart, most people get this wrong by calling general customer service. To reach Walmart Asset Protection directly, here's the step-by-step process. Step 1. Identify whether your issue is in store or online. Asset Protection handles theft, fraud, and safety incidents. Step 2. For in-store issues, go to the Walmart store and ask to speak with the Asset Protection Manager. You won't believe what happens next. They can take immediate action, review security footage, and file instant reports. Step 3. For online issues, call the Walmart Corporate Security Hotline at 1-800-WALMART, then select the option for Asset Protection. Be prepared with details like order numbers, locations, dates, and descriptions. Step 4. Follow up with your case number. Asset Protection teams track investigations carefully, and timely follow-up can speed resolution. The surprising truth is that Walmart Asset Protection works closely with local law enforcement when necessary, so they take reports seriously. By following these steps, you'll contact the right team and ensure your security concerns are addressed efficiently in 2025.